If you look at the state of work today, it's easy to see that something isn't working. People are burned out, disengaged, trapped in systems that drain their time and their spirit. We've been told that success comes from competition, from pushing harder, even from putting others down to get ahead. But what if we've been approaching success all wrong? Glenn Bostock has been proving that there's another way in what he calls a human business. It's built on 5 principles. 1. Create a foundation of caring. 2. Leverage your primary motivator, fulfilling your life purpose at work. 3. Focus on being useful. 4. Embrace problems and weaknesses. Share what is going wrong without blame or retribution to create psychological safety, which is key to collaboration and finding solutions that benefit all. 5. Model your business after the human form, a model that replaces competition with collaboration. In the body, if things are competing, we call that sickness. But when everything is working together, it achieves harmony. For over 25 years, these principles have been guiding everything at SnapCab: who they hire, how they lead, and the culture they protect. In a human business, work isn't just a job. We see it as a community of supportive friends focusing on serving together. If you believe business can be profitable and human, this is for you. Discover a human business.